Meaning of fall.
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 Fall. Fall generally refers to the act of moving downward, typically due to gravity or a loss of balance. The result of a fall can vary depending on the circumstances, but it often involves injury or physical harm to the person or object that falls. Falls can be particularly dangerous for older adults, and can result in broken bones, head injuries, or other serious health complications. In some cases, falls can even be fatal. It is important to take precautions to prevent falls and to seek medical attention immediately if a fall occurs.